Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today, we've got my wife in the kitchen cooking and Instagramming, and she hates to be on video. I've tried to get her to make her own YouTube channel. Not very successfully, but because she doesn't like to appear on camera, I'm not sure why. But look at what she's making. This is a focaccia bread.
Yep.
This is focaccia, and look at the little design she's made. It's like flowers and stuff. Let's turn on the light. Look at that. This is why I'm fat. This is why I'm fat. This is why I'm fat.
Me too. Me too.
Well, look at that. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Anyway, there you go, Ursi.